Welcome to KTN Business. Now, construction of the long-awaited Standard Guage Railway starts in 2 weeks as the government prepares to receive funds from the main financier of the project, China's Exim Bank. KTN'S Charles Gitonga brings us up to speed with the latest in the project that will change the face of the country.
It is the railway that will change the Kenyan landscape and replace the famous Lunatic Express. And now the contractor of the milestone Standard Guage Railway between Mombasa and Nairobi says they are ready to start laying steel. The long overdue project has drawn criticism and suffered delays due to questions over its actual cost and land compensation concerns. But with that out of the way, work can finally begin.
With the financing arrangements complete, I believe the construction will kick off before the end of the year.
We are waiting for the kick-off of the entire project full scale.
China Road and Bridge Construction, the contractor of the 327 billion shillings project, says the work has been subdivided into 21 sections that will be constructed simultaneously to ensure the railway is operational by the 2017 deadline. This is the Mutito Andei camp located 241 kilometers from Mombasa, and it is one of the 21 camps put up by the contractor to ensure that this project is delivered on time.
Each section works like an independent contractor. Also, this being an EPC contract, the contractor has also done 85% of the detailed designs.
Right at the center of the 472 kilometers of rail is Kathikani factory, which comes to a completion in April of next year. It will supply construction materials such as concrete to various teams working on this project.
The only items I can say will come from overseas are only rails and fastenings. The rest of the materials will be sourced locally.
The government has ring-fenced 40% of the entire project for locals, giving cement firms, construction companies and residents an opportunity to cash in the project that is expected to grow Kenya's gross domestic product by at least 1.5% every year.
I believe the contractor has selected the subcontractors he wants to work with, and also they have identified suppliers of some of the materials to be used, fuel, and the rest. So it's already, they have signed contract.
The government expects Exim Bank of China, which is funding 90% of the project, to release money by the end of next week. This will see the contractor finish at least 3 kilometers of the work by end of January. So far, the preparatory work has been funded by the government of Kenya and the contractor. Charles Gitonga, KTN.